internal temperatures. So on nice cold days like today, they'll primarily fly on Sunday to keep themselves warm. Navel antelope. If you recognize the sable antelope, that's probably because they are the emblem here at the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. The reason for that is when those Ankole cattle I pointed out at the very beginning. Ankole cattle will look very similar to your modern day cow. However, here in Africa, they're known to be a sign of wealth amongst farmers. Those horns on top of their head can grow to be around 6 to 8 feet in length when measured from tip to tip. And if you look still over on your right, kind of tucked in the bushes, there's also a beige-colored antelope hiding back there. That is called an eland. And much more obviously on your right is a baby giraffe. Now, elands are going to be the largest species of antelope, and when looks like they might be headed on inside. African elephants are going to be some incredibly large animals. It does take quite a bit of time for them to grow. They actually have the longest gestation period of any terrestrial animal. Cheetahs are masters at camouflage, and the spot pattern on their fur is going to help them stay hidden from any nearby predators. They are the fastest land animals on the planet, with the ability to reach speeds of about 60 miles an hour in just 3 seconds. Their semi-retractable claws will work as natural cleats for them to maintain balance and direction as they run. But despite their ability to run very fast, cheetahs cannot make above their heads. Giraffes do have 2 stumps that are called ossicones. Both male and female giraffes have ossicones, but it's typically the males that use them to defend themselves, primarily just against other male giraffes. Just like the okapi that we saw not too long ago, giraffes do have long prehensile tongues that'll be about 18 inches in length. Now for all my grown-ups aboard, that's around the length of the tip of your middle finger on out the shape between the 2 toes. Lions will be the only species of large cats to remain in a group all together. Think of male lions, such as the excellent stay-at-home dad.
All I see is butt.
Oh, there's a bunny.